What is up, guys? It's your man Big Vic, and I'm in here with a brand new video. And today we are doing an unboxing. The first is the foldable Bluetooth headphones. The second is the Mpow Sport wireless earphones. So we're gonna do an unboxing. What's also gonna be awesome about this video, guys, is I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So stick around.
It's Big Vic TV. Yo, I'm back to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Big Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world.
All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna dig right in. The first unboxing that I'm gonna do is the foldable Bluetooth headphones. Let's check them out. These are supposed to be the red brand. So let's open up the red brand. Let's see what we got in the box. First of all, let's turn to the back. They're foldable Bluetooth headphones, hi-fi audio, 4 times noise cancellation, hands-free calling, battery display. So up to 15-20 hours talk time, 15 to 20 hours of music playtime, charging time 4 hours, charging voltage 5 volts to 1 amps. Alrighty, so the range 33 feet. It's about 10 meters. So yeah, guess that's if you're away from your device. You can still get some things popping here. So you can also do a previous song. You can also do a volume down, volume up, next song, and you can receive and hang up phone calls with the power switch that's on the side. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up and see what we got in here. Feels pretty good so far. We got, guess, some of their other products. Yeah, cool. I need that. Just little directions, kind of show you what's what. Shows you how to charge it up. Booklet. Also comes with a carrying pouch. Cool. Let's put that over to the side. Nothing else in the box. So these are what the Mpows look like. Don't look too bad. Things actually look pretty daggone good. Kind of impressive here. So they're foldable. Kind of reminds me of the Beats, just a little bit. Kind of puts me in the mind of the Beats headphones, right? So on the side, the quality actually feels pretty daggone good. I like the padding that's in here as well. Left, right, and right here on the side you can see the up and down buttons here. Go through your songs, previous, next song, answer your phone here. So I see right here is where you actually can charge it up. And here is the, guess if you want to plug directly into your device, you can here. If you want to plug directly into your device, if you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can plug directly in here, right? So here is your charging plug. And your charging plug, of course, goes here. And you can charge that up USB. Either USB or plug it into a dock, right? Cool. So I'm assuming that, of course, I have not charged these, so I'm going to say they may not turn on, but this is how you power them on the side here. Actually, sounds like they do have, they are charged up, so yeah, cool. Build quality is actually pretty daggone solid, man. The AirPads feel pretty good too. I would definitely test them out, see what the sound quality sounds like in these things. Probably after I actually charge them up. I'm not sure if they're all the way charged. I'm gonna try and grab my phone and just to see what they sound like. Okay, but so far, these actually sound pretty decent. Like I'm not mad at them. So these right here, these actually pretty decent. Like I'm not gonna even front. These are pretty decent. They sound pretty good. Like, I mean, they're not as bassy as like Beats headphones, but you can hear, you know what I'm saying? You can feel the bass in these. It's not like super bassy. Like you're not gonna, that 808, you'll hear it somewhat. You'll hear it, but it's not like the studio beats that I own. Just to be honest with you, like keep it all the way 100 with you guys. But if you're looking for another set of headphones to use as a reference for your music production, or if you just want to hear your music in general, I think these will actually do. Because like me, I like to listen to my music, especially as a producer, on through different headphones, different monitors in the car, several different places to see what my mix sounds like. So I like these. Like I'm not mad at all at these. Cool. So I'm adding these to my collection. Next, let's do the Mpow Sports Wireless. I want to see how these sound. Okay. Box opens up here. Nice little carrying pouch. Important reminder. It says the headphones can only be charged by 5-volt adapters, USB ports only. Quick charging devices over 5 volts may cause heat and fire. Any issues about Bluetooth connection, please contact support@xmpow.com. Cool. That's that. Warranty policy, 45-day refund, 24-month limited warranty. Cool. So you got a 2-year warranty on these bad boys if you buy some. All right, so we're gonna slide that box over there. So this is what your case looks like. It's unzipper. Boom. Here's your charging port, USB charging port. You actually get a nice variety of plugs for your ears, some extras and some smaller ones if you have smaller baby ears. Put those back in the pouch. And these are actually waterproof. These are Ipx7 Waterproof. Cool. So I more than likely will have these on as my new earbuds, right? So let's check them out. They feel pretty good. Like the quality, Mpow, I think they make some pretty good quality headphones. Like, so let's see what we have. The features: true high definition sound and deep bass, advanced noise cancellation, comfort and stability designed, soft ear tips made for sport, and Ipx7 water-resistant. Also has a built-in microphone, hands-free operation, cool and handy carry EVA box included. Cool. So you can actually talk with these as well. So these have a microphone if you want to use them for, talking, answering your phone, all that good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna pair these real quick. I'm gonna test the quality out. I may not play the audio. I'm not gonna play the audio because I don't want to get the video flagged once again. So I'm gonna put these in my ear, see what they feel. Matter of fact, let me pair them first. Let's see if they're charged so we can do a pair, y'all. Okay. Power button is right here on the side. Let me put one of these in. See what we got. All right, let's just see Make sure we hold the button down to pair. Okay, so it's connected this time. So let's try and see what these sound like. All right, let's go to some music. I'm not gonna play the music out loud. Once again, I don't want to get the video flagged. All right, let's go. Play music. I'm gonna keep it all the way real with y'all. I actually like these better. These actually sound a little better for some reason. Maybe because it's more in your ear, but these actually, I like these better than I like these. These sound like, sound like more space is playing in a strange way. They sound decent, but I guess these are more in your ear, so you're gonna hear the bass a lot more with these here. I mean, and they actually fit pretty well around my ear. They don't hurt my ear. They feel pretty snug. Yeah, I would definitely recommend either one of these. But if you're looking for more bass, these buds right here are gonna be what you want to get. You know, these are cool. Like, you can actually reference some music on these things, on the Mpows, right? Here's what I'm gonna do, guys. We have both sets of these headphones. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm giving away a pair of these, and I'm giving away a pair of these, the foldable Bluetooths and the Mpow Sport earphones, the wireless earphones. All right, so here's what you gotta do to enter this giveaway. If you wanna enter the giveaway, a couple of things you gotta do. Number one, you need to be subscribed to the channel. Second thing, comment on this video. First 20 comments are gonna go into a hat. I need you to leave either your Instagram name so I can contact you, or your Twitter name so that I can reach out and contact you. All right. Third thing, all you gotta do is tag me in this video. Whether you share it on Instagram, whether you share it on your Twitter, whether you share it on Facebook, just tag me in the video, and I'm gonna enter you in the drawing for winning either pair of these headphones for free. Free, for the free, right? Everybody loves free. Once again, this is how you enter. You must be subscribed to the channel. Number two, comment on this video. Number three, after you comment on the video, make sure once you leave a comment, make sure you leave your Twitter or your Instagram name so that I can reach out to you. And the last thing you need to do is, all you have to do is share the video on any one of your social networks and tag me in it so that I can see that you shared the video for the giveaway. All right, that's all there is, guys. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and quick review. This is your man, Big Vig. Also, the link to these, if you don't win the giveaway and you want to get a pair of these headphones, I'm going to drop the link in the description, and you guys can go directly to that link and get you a pair of these, right? But that's all for today, guys, man. Hope you enjoyed this video, man. Hope you have an incredible week. It's your man, Big Vic. Once again, y'all know what it is. Always hustle. Never stop growing. See you on the next one. Peace.